Hi farmers, it's silage season and here I'm making silage. Do you remember the 4 acres that I talked about when I was planting the yellow maize? And here is where we are putting it. So we have already chopped and we are using the silage chopper, and as you can see, this is a mixture of the maize stalk, the maize cob, the maize itself. That's the advantage of having silage chopper compared when we are having the chaff cutter. So the silage chopper is the best when it comes to silage making. So this pit measures 35 feet. Let me go outside so that you can see what I'm saying. So this measures 35 feet by 10 feet, and deep it goes for 7 feet. Right now we are remaining like 3 feet, as you can see, but deep down we are 7 feet. As you can see, all the sand that all the soil that we have removed, and we have covered all that. Yeah. So the step is the like previously I've said about when I did a video on silage making, but this one is a mega silage making because I've never done such a huge amount of silage. Yeah, we've talked about 7 feet down, 10 feet wide, and 35 feet the length. Yeah, and still those of acres won't fit in these pits. It is very, very huge. I underestimated and I dug so big hole for that. So for the polythene papers that you see here, you can buy at your nearest hardware, and you buy in form of a roll, like, as you can see here. And you don't have to make things. You just use the locally available resources. If you have a big piece of land, you can dig a hole, or you can, if you are well off financially, you can build silage silos that you can put on your silage. But for me, I'm a small scale farmer who is just experiencing this dairy farming, and I've opted to do this. So the drum that you see there is for compacting. We want to make sure that no air is left inside. Yeah, and this silage I'll make it like, because currently I have 3. We have that heifer in calf, the mother, and then we have Shiro over there. She is due in September. She is dry, that is in calf, and this one is a heifer, it is in calf. So here we have a mixture of microbes. As you can see, this is microbes here, livestock microbes, and we have molasses there. That is 40 liters of molasses, and these 20 liters of microbes. I'm mixing well, having in the ratio of 1 liter for every 20 liters, 1 liter of microbes for every 20 liters of water. And then I'm doing in scale of 1:2 when it comes to molasses to water. We say that yellow maize have what we call fermentable sugars, but to add the taste and the smell, that's why the reason I used molasses. Yeah, and microbes are just bacteria, and they help in rumination and all that, and digestion. Yeah, so I want my silage to be as sweet, as very palatable and nutritious to my cows as possible. So we keep on talking about other fodders. Well, they are not bad, but there is no fodder that you can compare with when it comes to corn, and especially yellow maize. Corn silage, yeah, it does wonders. So salesmen will come and tell you, do this, plant this, but the best experience that you can have is planting your own fodder, and exercising or getting experience from your farm. You know, my cow will produce more when I feed this. My cow will produce more when I feed this. That's it. Like now, I'm chopping this and I'm feeding my cow right here. Even if you see it very skinny, it produces a lot. Right now, the production has gone up because this is very nutritious. Now, I'm going to leave it for, you can feed it as from 3 days, that's what they say. But for me, I'm going to wait for 28 days or even 2 months. And I will wait when she rose over there, calves down. When she calves down, I'll start using a silage, and it will take me a year also because this is so much. With a population of 3 cows and waiting for other three, this silage will take me for so long. Yeah. Over there we have super napier that I'll be mixing, but for from the onset of harvesting this silage, I want to make sure that I feed on silage only. Yeah, I want to see and I want to test my cows, the production of my cows. Yeah, so you start small, guys, and you grow with time. Yeah, so for those acres I was talking about, I reached, and the result was amazing. I'm sorry I didn't film a video because I've been busy. And to cater for all these, I had to sell one heifer. You remember the black heifer? I had to sell it so that I can get the money to cut, to bring up to here, to chop, and to buy the polythene paper, molasses, microbes, and to pay workers. I'm telling you, silage is no joke. You feel tired, you feel depleted, both financially and energy. So you have to make sure that you are well prepared when you are uh, having or making silage. So we have other discussion, and people say that you should be using the knapsack sprayer or watering can. For me, I tried using knapsack sprayer, but what I realized is that when you mix the mixture of molasses and all that, they can't come out of the nozzles. Yeah, so I opted using the watering can, but we are not applying so much water, so much mixture, because we want to make sure that the moisture content of our silage is well enough. Yeah, so this is what we have been doing. Currently, I'm having 10 men. They have gone on lunch break. I decided to make this video. So you have to be prepared. So let me take you to where we are chopping.